Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw something super cute and yummy. So hit that like button and subscribe. For this drawing, you only need 3 things: a pencil, a black marker, and some bright colors. I'm using orange for the cracker, brown for chocolate, and pink for cheeks. You can use crayons and whatever you have at your home. First, let's draw 2 rectangulars, one on top and one at the bottom. These are our crackers. Make the corner a little bit round so it looks soft and cute. Now the middle drawing, a big cloud shape. That's your marshmallow for melting chocolate. Yummy! This is the fun part. Draw a big circle for the eyes. Add a little bit shine dot inside each eye to make it sparkling. Now we have already made our bottom rectangular. Don't forget some hearts. Now the most fun part, coloring. I will use orange for the cracker. Now let's color the melting chocolate. It looks so delicious. Add some decorations and our Kawaii S'more is ready. Don't forget to like. Bye bye!